Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function ceiling. Now, what does this function do? This function rounds a number up to the nearest multiple specified by the user. Now, let's understand this with an example. Here, we have studios where shootings happen, and we can book these studios. Now, we have used and the bill it in multiple of 7 days. That means even if you use for 1 day, they will charge you for 7 days, and in multiple of 7 days, 7, 14, 21. Now, in Studio 1, we have used 5 days for our project, and Studio 2, 13 days, and Studio 3, 8 days. Now, the studio, how many days it needs to book? To bill. Let's see, using the ceiling function. So I'll put equal to ceiling, open bracket, number. So how many days we have used is the number, and the significance. Significance is the multiple. So they will be using 7 days billing. So it's in multiple of 7. So I'll put 7 and close the bracket. So here I'll be billed for 7 days. Here I have used 13 days. So how many days they will be billing me? Ceiling, open bracket, the number, comma, significance is the multiple. So 7 days, and then close the bracket. So I'll be billed for 14 days. Here in studio I will used 8 days. So I'll be billed for, let's see, ceiling, open the bracket, I'll put the number, and multiple is 7, and then I close the bracket. Though I've used only 8 days, they will be billing for 14 days because they bill in multiple of 7 days. Let's understand with another example. Now, here we have in our go down the stocks, and we need to move it to the store. We have 250 ml juice, 500 ml juice, and 1 liter bottle. And the stock in go down is this. We need to move this to the store. Now, the crate carrying 250 ml has a capacity of 60. 500 has a capacity of 36. And juice as 1 liter has got capacity of 24. Now, let's look. So the capacity is 60. So we'll just divide and see how many crates we would require. Divide by this, enter, and I copy this, bring it down, and bring it down. When we do the simple division, it says 57.6, but we cannot have 57.6 crate because crate cannot be in fraction. So it should be rounded to the nearest number, that is 1 extra. So the significance here will be 1. So how do we do that in a single formula? Let's see. So first we need to have this number and ceiling of this to the nearest one. So let's see. I'll remove this. Okay. So let's understand with the formula. I put ceiling, and now we want the number. Number is this divided by this. Stock divided by the capacity, and the significance will be 1. Now to the next nearest one. So because we cannot have fraction, we need to take one more crate. So we'll divide this by this, and significance is 1, because if any fraction is there, take out one more crate. So I'll put 1. So just close it. So we would require 58 crates. We copy the formula down. Here we would require 177 crates, and here we would require 98 crates. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jairam.